Good morning, guys. We are finally back home. I'll start saying that it's not the morning, is it? It's about 4 o'clock in the afternoon.
Kane wanted a bit of a sleep today.
I had a good old sleep today. Went in hibernation mode. Didn't go to work today because we never go back till stupid o'clock last night.
This morning?
This morning, yeah. And diluting juice, please. And yeah, it's good to be back, I think, but now we're back to reality tomorrow, so I don't know if I'm looking too much forward to that or not. How are you feeling today, Baz?
Feel refreshed. I'm sad to be back. I really like Morocco. I just like the pool, the sun, the drinks, the company. It's just so good.
It's nice.
Yeah, nice.
Nice to jump into like some comfy clothes. As you can both see, we're both in joggers and comfy clothes today. So I'm just having a chilled one.
Got some rolls to eat, and then we're going to go in a food shop.
Yeah, we're gonna have some breakfast stroke lunch.
Brunch.
And then go get some stuff for dinners.
And I'm thinking camembert on the menu.
Okay.
Other than that, no, I don't mind. And then we're going to come back and watch some telly and eat some nice food.
Yeah, watch some movies and have
Cozy
just have a bit of a like pig out lazy day, innit? Yeah. Anyway.
I've been on holiday.
Yeah, I've had it up to here with pizza. This is where we go and buy pizza.
I've ordered Domino's.
No, you haven't.
It's a surprise.
You knew I'd had enough of pizza.
Yeah, but I thought you like Domino's.
You're not funny. Well, flipper. Anyway, guys, excuse me. Food shop's been copped. I'm having, what am I having? Like stuffed peppers and that. And Bowers is gonna have
Vegetables.
like Mediterranean veg with some fish cakes, isn't it? Salmon fish cakes.
Because it's like everything that I fancy to eat, they didn't have, and we went away. I loved the hotel, I loved everything about it. It was such a good holiday, but the food was terrible. Like anything I would ever really fancy. Oh, sorry. Anything I would ever really fancy for dinner, they didn't have. So now I'm like just craving certain things, and one of them is a Ben & Jerry's ice cream. So where's our next stop?
Asda. I have no idea what I really fancy, to be honest.
Kane's just a tired boy who slept until 4 o'clock, so it's a bit backwards today.
I feel like I'm craving something. Like my mouth's actually watering, but I don't know what.
Some dried banana?
I don't know. I couldn't think of anything worse.
You should try it, it's actually really nice. And it's more healthy than... See, like when you feel hungry, but you're like, not ready to eat. The banana's pretty flavourless. Get out of the road. The banana's pretty flavourless.
I don't know what this is.
The star fruit's good, that's mango. I reckon you'll like the star fruit or whatever, papaya.
Mango's actually pretty decent, to be fair. What star fruit? No, not here.
Why not? Why not?
I don't like this space.
I know, but you're not driving. And I always see this place and I never go into it. So, the entrance is there, this is actually closer than where you go.
It's less busy where I go. Probably get run over walking out there. Freaking pussy. What did be getting our bi-weekly, but including the bag as well. That comes to a grand total of £19.16, and that'll probably last us, what, how long do you reckon that'll last? I suppose till Tuesday, Wednesday, and then we'll do another food shop on Wednesday. So it's pretty good if you ask me. 20 quid for like 4 days worth of food. That's all for lunches and dinners for the week. I know some of you are probably thinking, how can you survive off that, blah, 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 blah. Basically what we're going to do is we're going to make a stew, and the amount of stew that you get out of it is enough for us to eat for like 3-4 days, so it just lasts ages. I don't know. Yeah, look. I was cleaning my car, but she's got a freaking barbecue sauce all over my carpet.
But am I cleaning it?
Right there. Yeah, she is. She is.
Okay.
And I'm going to start doing dinner. We're gonna have
Do my fish cakes like a little bit longer than what they're supposed to be?
yeah, okay. So we're gonna have I was just gonna have a fish cakes in the Mediterranean veg, and I'm gonna have and then we're gonna share the camembert with the baguette each and the camembert to share. And I'm gonna have stuffed peppers with chorizo cheese, peppers, Just done the dishes after dinner and everything. But I've still got to do all the washing. It's not really done anything. I've just still got a wash load in the wash machine. Top slacker. But yeah, we're gonna do probably a little bit of editing now. I don't know. What time is it? Or maybe do like a half hour of editing or something, because still got. Well, I've got to get up at like 6 tomorrow. So I don't want to tire myself out too much first day back at work and that. I feel like I've not worked in ages, man. We had Creamfields. I think I'm back to work for 2 days and then went away to Morocco. Yeah, I suppose gotta make money somehow. Can't live for free in that. Well, that would be nice. Yeah. I'll see you tomorrow. I think Bev's making a stew tomorrow, which would be quite nice. Yeah.